Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about dominance principle. Dominance method is also applicable to pure strategy and mixed problems. In a pure strategy, the solution is obtained by itself, while in a mixed strategy, it can be used for simplifying the problem. Step 1. Compare two rows and elements or delete the row which having a element less than or equal to the other row. Step 2. Step 2. Compare two columns with each other. The column with least or equal elements will be kept and other column will be deleted. These steps will be repeated till we reach the 2 by 2 matrix and then will be apply a saddle point or a odds method to find the value of the game. It is possible to reduce the size of the payoff matrix by eliminating a row or a column which are dominated by other row columns respectively. This is called dominance property. See the general rule for a dominance property for a row. When all the elements in a particular row of a playoff matrix is less than or equal to corresponding element of another row. For example, row X payoff matrix less than or equal to corresponding element in another row. So row X dominated by row Y. So delete the row X from the payoff matrix. The next one is a dominance property for a column. Here a same rule but opposite. When all the elements in a particular column, for example X payoff matrix greater than or equal to corresponding element in the another column, then the column X is dominated by column Y. So delete the column X payoff matrix. We take the row delete least value. When take the column delete the highest value, because player A is a gain, player B as a loser. This is the general property of a row reduction and a column reduction. Let us go to the problem. In the problem, there are two forums. In a forum A, there are four strategies: A1, A2, A3, and A4. In a forum B, there are four strategies: B1, B2, B3, and B4. So go to the solution. Step 1. Row second is less than row first one, and row second is dominated. After deleting the second row, the matrix will be here. Step 2. Column second is greater than column 1 and now column second will be deleted. After deleting the second column, the matrix will be here. Step 3. Again we will compute second and third row, and then row second is less than the row third and row second is dominated, so it will be deleted. After deleting a second row, the matrix will be here. Step 4. Again we will compare the column 1 and column 2. Now the column 1 is greater than second, so it will be deleted. After deleting a first column, the matrix will be here. Now if a saddle point is not occur, will be apply the odds formula to find out the dominance principle. By comparing this 2 by 2 payoff matrix with odd formula, A1 is equal to 25, A2 is equal to 5, B1 is equal to 10, B2 is equal to 15. The value of the game V equal to A1 into B1 minus B2 plus b1 into a1 minus a2 divided by b1 minus b2 plus a1 minus a2. After applying the odd formula will be get by substituting the values by doing the calculations we get the value is 13. So the value of the game is 13. The strategy for every player a1 is equal to b1 minus b2 divided by b1 minus b2 plus a1 by a1 minus a2. By substituting a1 comma a2 b1 comma b2 by doing the calculations we get the value of a1 is 1 by 5. a2 equal to a1 minus a2 divided by b1 minus b2 plus a1 minus a2. By substituting a1 comma a2 b1 comma b2 by doing the calculations to get the value of a2 is 4 by 5. b1 is equal to a1 minus b2 divided by a2 minus b2 plus a1 minus b1. By substituting a1 comma a2 b1 comma b2 by doing the calculation we get the value of b1 is 2 by 5. b2 is equal to a1 minus b1 divided by a2 minus b2 plus a1 minus b1. By substituting a1 comma a2 b1 comma b2 by doing the calculations we get the value of b2 is 3 by 5. Hope you all understand this concept. Thank you.